Hola mis amigos, we're making chicken and olive meat sauce. We're all set for another slow cooker meal. So here I have 2 pounds of chicken that has been cooked and pulled, along with 3 cloves of minced garlic. And I'm going to add 1 onion that has been chopped, 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 3/4 cup of chicken stock and 1/2 cup of dry white wine. And I'm just going to combine these ingredients, and then we're going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours or on low for 6 to 8 hours. And then we will return to add the rest of our ingredients. This went for 8 hours on low, so now we are going to add in our olives, and this is 4 ounces of chopped olives, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're just going to mix this together and let this cook for an additional 10 minutes on high, and then we will serve this over whatever pasta you choose. I am going to be using penne pasta. Chicken and olive meat sauce. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.